Hi, I'm Professor Steve Ruth at the School of Public Policy, and this is a brief description of something that is very important in this course that we're taking together. It has to do with the question of an essential ingredient in the course, which has to do with posts and messages that we submit to each other. We're only going to meet in the normal class environment about just a couple of times. So obviously online is where it's at as far as this course is concerned. So what I'd like to do first of all is simply to remind everybody why it's important, why this is an important topic. The posts they're a crucial element of any online course. It's just the way online courses work. And it's also, as far as this course is concerned, the essence of about half the grade in the class is called class participation. It's not all just posts, but there's other material that's required, but it's a really important part of this class too. And it's also an ideal way to distribute interesting material, a very significant part of this. And really everybody benefits from it, not just you or me. And when we do team projects, it's also part of that. So it's definitely mainstream. As far as there are two kinds that I've identified in the syllabus and in discussions, and one of them is what I call normal posts. There should be lots of those floating around. I put 3 per week, and I hate to have numbers like that, how long a paper should be or that, but this is an example. And what are they? They're snippets, course-related updates. If there's in the first week, I talk about big data. Anything that comes to mind. If you disagree with a point I make in class, online, in one of my lectures, I'll do a lecture every week that I'm asking everybody to watch. Anything like that. Those are frequent and relatively short posts, but they all ought to have them in, and also some kind of indication of your perspective on it. So it's normal, it's routine, lots of them every week, and I think you'll enjoy it. I know all of us will enjoy reading them. The other kind are more significant. They're bi-weekly posts, not one every week, but one every 2 weeks, 250 words. Again, I hate to put minima on things like this, but that's the basic idea that I have in mind, is about 250 words, comments related to my lecture, the class readings, videos, current news, and also include a couple of news sites and references, because everybody's going to read these and they're going to comment on them. So if you give them a link to go to, it'll not only help them, but also give everybody the advantage of research that you've done and your perspective. So in summary, posts are really a big deal. They're important. And they're normal. Many organizations, many companies, many government organizations, and other entities routinely use posts as the way they operate. They do need to be, in this class at least, they do need to be at least as much as possible according to a rubric. And the rubric isn't meant to constrain you. It's just meant to say, if you say, that's terrific, or I agree, that's not a post that counts in this class. You want to say not just that you agree or disagree, but why. So they have to have relevance, clarity, good writing, etc., just as you would expect in a classroom comment. And posts are usually read by everyone in the course, just as in a normal class situation. So don't forget that as you send these around, you're inviting others to comment on your comment, which is exactly the way classes work when they work well. So I hope this is a helpful, useful summary. As always, contact me. You can reach me by phone. You can reach me in person. You can reach me online, lots of different ways, and I hope that you will continue to do that. Thanks.